If you're trying to pick between Parsec and TeamViewer for remote desktop access, this video helps you figure out which one fits your needs. Both let you access a remote computer, but they're built for different priorities. In this comparison, we'll walk through what each does best, and where each shines. Let's start with TeamViewer. TeamViewer is a feature-rich, mature remote access tool designed for general remote control, IT support, file transfers, and cross-device access. It works across many platforms, supports remote printing, file sharing, and multi-monitor configurations, and handles administrative or support-type tasks very well. Its secure encryption and easy connection setup make it a dependable choice if you want remote access to your PC or want to support others, manage servers, or do business-related remote work. On the other hand, Parsec was originally built for high-performance remote streaming, especially for gaming or graphics-heavy workloads. With Parsec, you get low latency, high frame rate streaming and smooth responsiveness, which makes it ideal for tasks where you need real-time interaction, like video editing, design work, creative collaboration, or even gaming from a distance. Parsec excels when visual quality and responsiveness are more important than administrative tools or extra features. So which one is better? It depends on what you need. If you're working remotely in a business environment, doing support, maintenance, need file transfer, print support, remote login across devices, TeamViewer is the safer, more complete choice. If instead you need high performance, minimal lag, and real-time responsiveness, maybe for creative work or streaming a workstation's power remotely, Parsec will likely give you a smoother experience. In short, choose TeamViewer for versatility, robust remote access features, and broad device support. Choose Parsec for speed, responsiveness, and GPU-heavy tasks like video editing, design, or remote creative work. If this comparison helped you decide which remote desktop tool fits your workflow, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.